Hello, my beautiful star seeds. So for those of you who don't know me, my name is Irene and I am here every single week providing you with delicious plant-based recipes. Now, since a lot of you have been asking me how to make oat milk, homemade oat milk, this video is dedicated to all of you who have requested this video. So before we get into it, don't forget to subscribe to the channel if you enjoyed the video. So let's get into it. Okay, so we are using sprouted oats for this recipe. And I've said this a million times and you're probably really tired of hearing me say it, but sprouting your nuts, seeds, beans, and grains is highly beneficial because it helps us absorb the nutrients better and it removes the phytates from the foods. And phytates actually block the absorption of the nutrients, okay? So you need to soak and sprout. And what it also does, it increases the protein and the B vitamins in the foods. So what we're gonna do, now, by the way, if you don't have time to soak and sprout your oats, you can go ahead to your local bio store and just grab some already soaked and sprouted oats, okay? That's what I've done today because I didn't have time. FYI, I am moving again, so I didn't have time to soak and sprout my oats. So this is from Sun and Seed, and these are soaked, sprouted, and dehydrated, okay? So try and find these. So what we're going to do, I'm going to show you. So I'm just measuring out a cup of oats, sprouted oats. Is that a cup? Yes, it's a cup. So we're placing a cup of oats into the blender, along with 3 cups of filtered water. So at this point, you could just blend everything up and strain it and you would have perfectly delicious oat milk. But I'm gonna take it a step further and I'm gonna add some sea salt, some dates, and some vanilla. But you don't have to do that. You can just, this is pretty much the base of the recipe. You can just stop here. So let's continue. We're gonna go ahead and blend the oats and water. So we're gonna strain the oat milk and get all of the fiber out, and then we're gonna add the rest of the ingredients. Now you could use a nut milk bag, but I have misplaced mine, so I'm gonna be using this strainer. So you can just use a spoon and make sure that all of the liquid is coming out the bottom. Just press it down a little bit. I'm straining it one more time just to make sure that it's nice and smooth. Okay, so at this point, the oat milk is done. You can enjoy it in your cereal, put it in the fridge so that it gets nice and cold. But what we're gonna do first is flavor the oat milk. So I'm gonna put it back in the blender and add some sea salt, some vanilla, and some dates. So we're adding in 1 date for sweetness. Oops, a 1/4 teaspoon of vanilla extract and a pinch of sea salt. So I'm gonna blend this up until smooth and creamy, guys. Let's do it. Okay, so if you add dates and vanilla, it will change the color of your milk. It's not gonna be really white. So keep that in mind. If you want pure white milk, then don't add vanilla or dates. Also, after you've blended the dates, you're going to need to strain it one more time just to get rid of the little bits. It depends on your blender. If you have a really good blender, it might blend everything up until really smooth, but my blender's not that great, so I'm gonna go ahead and strain it one more time. Also, don't forget, you can always add anywhere between 2 to 4 cups of water in this recipe. So I can't wait to try this in my cereal. Guys, don't be alarmed. This will separate, okay? So you will get like white and then a different color. It will separate. So don't be alarmed. All you have to do is take a spoon and mix it well before you use it in your cereal. So I'm making a really nice breakfast with my granola cookies. If you guys want the recipe, these are actually protein cookies, but I have something similar. And if you want the recipe, you can click the link up above and it'll take you to the recipe. They are delicious. Mwah! So I made these Sun Warrior protein cookies in the dehydrator. I soaked, sprouted all of the ingredients in here. There's some pecans, some oats, some buckwheat, and banana. And these are just delicious, especially with this oat milk. So I will make a recipe on this soon. Now we're gonna add some more oat milk. Is it good? So that's the end of the video, everybody. I hope you enjoy your oat milk. And if you liked this video, I hope you smash that like button and I hope you subscribe to our channel because we are here every single week providing you with delicious plant-based recipes. I'll see you next time.